Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your vehicle from the application in the Magica application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the little settings button at your vehicle page, and then if you scroll down a bit you will see the red text which says delete the vehicle. So just click on that and then click on the yes, delete the vehicle once again, and yes, your vehicle is now deleted from the system. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.